So today's video is an unboxing. This box I got from a fellow on YouTube. His channel is called Tfarms. I saw his video the other day, first talking about dragon fruit, and then he came out with another video talking about the different bananas he have on his property. What caught my interest was the variegated Namwa banana that he have. I like variegated plants, so they stand out more than regular plants. Let's open this box and see what it look like. Okay, I just cut the tape, so let's open it. Okay, he packed it well. All right, cool. So we have wet paper towel on the roots, great. Awesome. So this is it, guys. On his channel, he calls this green Namwa. And of course, I'm curious to know. I asked where he got it from. So supposedly he got it from a guy in Puerto Rico. So I'm gonna get this in some dirt, water it in, which is great timing. It's supposed to be raining today, so it's gonna get a good amount of water. So I just want to show you guys how it looked up potted. This is it here. I added a stick just because if you remember in the box it has like a hook base. From here down it kind of slants like that, like a C shape. So I put the stick just for extra support so it don't wobble or lean to the side. So it should be good now. But yeah, that's it. You know, even if it's not variegated and I don't get any variegation at all, I'm fine with that. I wanted a dwarf banana anyway. The variegation is just an added bonus. So happy I have a dwarf Namwa. Thank you guys for watching and have a good weekend.